Dalton Whitfield Recycling Center. It's almost Christmas and we are working on some last-minute stocking stuffers. We're making matching or memory games for the little ones in our families, and all I have done is use some paperboard boxes, cut them up into small 2 by 2 inch squares, added a sticker on the bottom side, and I have pairs of different animals here. Like I have 2 shark stickers that you're able to match up and pair, and of course in match games or memory games, whoever has the most pairs wins. So I think it'll be fun, and Recycling Ben likes matching games so much he actually has his very own matching game online. You can go to our website, thedwswa.org, go to Recycling Ben's page and download Recycling Ben's match game. It's just a 1-page PDF. You need to print it 2 times so you can get your 2 sets of images. And once you have your printout, you need to glue this onto a paperboard box. Carefully cut out your 9 pieces. Let the kids color them, and then they can start playing. So it's 2 activities in 1. So enjoy using your recycling match game or any other kind of match game that you can make at home. The stickers, letters, alphabet numbers, and even tissue paper or scrapbook paper work really well for matching. So don't limit yourself. Don't think you need a photograph or an image. You can match colors, you can match patterns, halves of images if the children are older. All you need are some scissors, some paperboard, and glue. It's just a quick stocking stuffer, and I hope it makes